Good to see you.
Good to see you
Thanks
too.
for coming. Thank you so much for joining me on this quite cold and crisp winter morning. We are going to go for a little walk afterwards, but we're going to grab a coffee, have a chat to begin with, because there's just a few days to go until the League Cup final. How much are you looking forward to it?
Thank you for having me. Looking forward for it. Massive game. We'll try to treat it like an other game, but it's an important game for us, for Bala. It's a final, but control your nerve, control yourself, and then just give your all. Then yeah, it's my first final also. So I'm looking forward for it, and then I hope to do something so we can win the game.
And a chance to have your name written in the Bala history books?
Oh, hopefully. And my name should be there. Well, it needs to be there, and hopefully one day it will be there.
Hopefully Saturday.
Yeah, hopefully Saturday, yeah.
Lassa, you're without a doubt, you know, the in-form man at my ticket this season. 13 assists. Just how much are you enjoying your football at the moment?
I've been enjoying it a lot, to be honest. Yeah, they gave me that freedom of just express myself. And 13 assists, to be honest, I have to give it to the lads. That's obviously if you have the players like Nath, David, or Venice, all you need to do is just put the ball in the box, really, and then they'll do their job, you know what I'm saying? But credit to them, more than me anyway.
A few goals under your belt as well, especially the one that stands out is the crucial one that you scored in the European qualifiers. Just how much of a highlight was that goal for you?
It was amazing scoring a goal in the Europa League. The result didn't go our way, but yeah, that's a goal that I'll never forget, to be honest. Yeah.
And what about your background before? You know, where did your love of football come from?
Spain.
Who was your team? Who was your team in Spain?
Spain. It was a local club called Roquetas de Mar. I grew up over there. Lived there 19 years, and then I had the chance to come over to England in 2014. So, a few years in the English system, playing for Ratcliffe, then Staley Bridge, then Colwyn Bay, and then from Colwyn Bay got signed to Bala.
So you swapped the sunny Spanish climate for this lovely January weather in North Wales. The League Cup, Bala have never won it. How much would it mean if you guys got your hands on that cup this weekend?
Oh, it would mean a lot for everyone that's behind doors working, Ruth, Nige, Dave, all the work they put into this small club and make it so big for us. For us to win this cup, it will be like, not a payback, but it will be massive for the club.
And looking at the last 4 games you've played against Connah's Quay, you've only managed to score 1 goal against them. Why do you think that is, and what would you say needs to change on Saturday?
Like I said,
Put your manager cap on now.
They're tough, they're strong, they're physical. They don't give you lots of chances, and then the little chances you get, you need to take them. If not, they're good at what they're doing, to be honest. And for them, it's another achievement to go three years on a row. They're going to try to take it, but we need to stop that. We want to stop that, and we want to bring Bala a trophy this season, because we've been doing so well. I'm getting into Europa, getting second place, but we need this, to be honest, for Bala.
Well, lads, here we are. Top of the world, and hopefully this is how you feel on Saturday, but not as wet, hopefully.
Oh, hopefully wet over champagne. But yeah.
Well, massive good luck. But
thank you.
I think we better get back to the car now.
Yeah.